Morning, brethren. And I know this is Holy Week and we're getting down to Friday, so we'd want to invite you to our Good Friday prayer caravan. It starts at the VPA at 7 o'clock in the morning, and we walk through the streets, or drive through the streets actually, of Valencia, declaring the gospel of Jesus Christ and praying over our community. We'd love for you to be a part of it. You could come join us, definitely. We start at 7, so you've got to get there on time. This week we're looking, as because it's coming down to that Holy Week, I want to take a poke at forgiveness, and forgiveness as Jesus meant it and as Jesus offered it. Hear what he says in Matthew chapter 6 and 12. He says, forgive us our trespasses. And that's where I want to spend the week this week, because a lot of times we are unafraid to approach God because we think that we are unworthy, and we are. But God has offered forgiveness. And that is crucial to our salvation. That God would have, by his mercy, by his grace, by his power, provided every mechanism that frees him from punishing us. And forgiveness is actually the release of either retribution or revenge. It is crying out in the face of justice. If the wages of sin is death, then we all deserve death, because all have sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. But God offers forgiveness. His hand is extended. His desire is for us to come to him. And he's made it possible through the death, burial, resurrection of his son, Jesus Christ. And that's what we celebrate this week. So if you celebrate Easter weekend or Good Friday, Resurrection Sunday, then forgiveness is at the top of the page. But any forgiveness demands recognition, repentance. We'll talk about it tomorrow.